Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to verify a PSA slab. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you have a PSA slab and you want to go ahead and verify that it's real. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So in order to do this, what you first want to do is look up PSA cert verification or PSA card lookup, and click on the first link that you see here. Next, you're going to enter the cert verification number. So the cert verification number is on the upper right-hand corner. So we're going to enter that number here. And then once you search for that number, you should see your card pop up. So this is the name of the card, what year it's from, what set it's from, and it's the same exact image that you see right over here, as well as its grading. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and verify your PSA slab. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.